We are going to see the seventh sum. dy by dx the whole power 3 plus y equal to x minus dx by dy. So this given equation we have wrote. So what is the seventh equation they have given? We have wrote. Next what we are going to do? So dy by dx the whole power 3 plus y equal to x minus, so we are taking this as dy by dx, so 1 by dy by dx. So this term I am just putting as 1 by, so anyway if you took the reciprocal also the same term only it's going to get. Then what I am going to do, I am just going to take the LCM for this one. So if I take the LCM means x into dy by dx minus 1 by dy by dx. Okay, here dy by dx the whole power 3 plus y. Next you just cross multiply this one. So if you cross multiply means dy by dx into dy by dx the 3 plus y equal to x dy by dx minus 1. So that implies dy by dx the whole power 4 plus y into dy by dx equal to x into dy by dx minus 1. Okay, then now you see dy by dx, and here also dy by dx, and here also the dy by dx. So all the things are first order. So next what we are doing, we are just seeing the power. So the power, what is the answer you will be getting here? The power is 4. So therefore the order is 1 and the degree is 4. Therefore the highest derivative is of first order and power is 4. So that implies order equal to 1, then degree equal to 4. Okay. So next one what we are going to see is second sum. Find the differential equation of the following. So what is the first sum? Y is equal to cx plus c minus c power 3. So this is the first sum. Okay, so this is the given equation. We are just writing this as given equation. The given equation y is equal to cx plus c minus c power 3. Okay, now we are going to differentiate. So differentiate equation 1 on both sides. So that means what you will be getting? Dy by dx equal to c into 1 plus 0 minus 0. So that implies dy by dx equal to c. Okay, so if you differentiate means this we are getting dy by dx equal to c. So instead of this c, what we have to do? We have to substitute in equation 1. So let this be 2. So substituting 2 in equation 1. So substitute dy by dx equal to c in 1. So y is equal to cx plus c minus c power 3. So what will be the getting? Y is it equal to dy by dx into x plus dy by dx minus dy by dx the whole power 3. So that implies x into dy by dx plus dy by dx minus dy by dx the whole power 3. Okay, so this is the y here. So this is the required, so which is the required differential equation. So next one we are going to see is second sum. Y is it equal to c x minus c the whole square. Okay, so the given equation is y is it equal to c x minus 2 the that is x minus c the whole square. So this is the given equation. So next what we are going to do, after given this equation we are just going to expand this one. So while we are expanding, y is it equal to c into x square plus c square minus 2xc. So next what we are going to do, differentiate with respect to x. So again what we are going to do means we are going to differentiate this as let this be 1. Okay, so we are going to differentiate 1. So differentiate 1 with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to c into, if you differentiate means 2 into, okay, 2 into x minus c. Then if you again differentiate means x means 1 minus 0. So that implies 2c then x minus c. Okay, so this is the equation you will be getting. And also if you differentiate this one means dy by dx. So let this be equation 2. Then what we are going to do it, we are going to divide this 1 divided by 2 we are going to do it. So 1 divided by 2. So y by dy by dx, that is equal to c into x minus c the whole square by 2c x minus c. Okay, so next this you just get cancelled, then c will get cancelled. So what will be the answer? You will be getting x minus c by 2. Okay, then what we have to do it, we have to just, we are keeping as dy that is y by dy by dx is there. Then we have to take this dy by this side. So y by dy by dx. So then what we are going to do is we are just going to just cross multiply it. So take this 2y by dy by dx equal to x minus c. Okay, so after this one we are just finding the constant c alone. So constant c is plus minus is there. So you take this side. So c is it equal to x minus 2y by dy by dx. Okay, so this is the c equation. Then we are going to substitute this c. Okay, so substituting the c in equation 1 we are going to substitute it. So y is it equal to, so c equation is x minus 2y by dy by dx. Okay, then x minus 2 that is c equation is again what will be coming, x minus 2y by dy by dx. Okay, the whole square. So x minus 2y by dy by dx. Here x minus, then again this minus, then plus 2y by dy by dx the whole square. Okay, then you just cancel this minus and the plus x will be getting cancelled. Then what we have to do it? So then x minus 2y by dy by dx, then 2y by dy by dx the whole square. So that implies x minus 2y by dy by dx. Here for the y square by dy by dx the whole square. So we just squaring the both the numerator and denominator, we are just squaring. Then what we are going to do, we are just taking this denominator alone, we are just taking, and also we have to take the LCM here. So x into dy by dx minus 2y by dy by dx. Here 4y square, then 4y square by dy by dx the whole square. Then what you will be getting, y is it equal to, so y is it equal to x into dy by dx minus 2y. Here 4y square, then by dy by dx the whole power 3. Next you just cross multiply this side. Okay, so if you cross multiply means, so y into dy by dx the whole power 3 equal to next what you have to do it, you just take this 4y square, so x into dy by dx minus 2y. Okay, then what we have to do it, you just cancel the y term, you just cancel this y and this y will be getting cancelled. So dy by dx the whole power 3 equal to 4y, then x into dy by dx minus 2y. Then you just multiply this term inside. So if you multiply means 4xy dy by dx minus 8y square, then dy by dx the whole power 3. Next you just take all the terms this side. So if you take all the terms this side means dy by dx the whole power 3, then minus 4xy dy by dx, then plus 8y square equal to 0. Okay, so this is the required equation.